Hello my friends, I am Tiberio and today I'm going to speak to you about two Epson EcoTank printers. The Epson Expression ET2650 and Epson Workforce ET3750. Both of them, they are amazing printers, no complaints about them. Or maybe there are some complaints, but I will go into it a little bit later. Different printers for different jobs, different features, and yeah, I have them for 8 months now. I printed a lot. I know what they are capable of. I'm printing more from Photoshop, so if you are interested in my workflow and what these printers can do for you, stand by. Today I'm gonna try to review them, make a comparison between them, and show you the speed, some samples of printings, what I'm using them for, and all the, let's say, all the features or most of the features. Many of my fellow photographers asked me why I choose to switch from Canon printers to Epson printers. I had the Canon Pro 100 and Canon Pro 10, both of them good printers, but and let's say large format printers, but for what I'm using them for US paper 8.5 by 11, these are great. The big deal between the Canon printers and Epson printers, Epson EcoTank printers, is these guys. Are the bottles, the ink. I'm buying this one, costs like $25 or maybe less. I don't remember exactly. You can look online and see the exact price, but they are cheap. This one, and I pour directly into that one or into this one. As you can see over here, this is the level of the ink. You can see the level of the ink on the printer all the time. And there are some differences between the inks, not the ink itself, but the bottle. This one is for the ET3750, and this one is for the other one. Look, I'll put them like this just to see which one is using 664 and this one 502. But as you can see, the tip is different. With this one you can pour directly the ink, and this one you put it like this. See? Nothing, no drops, nothing. But it has a system over here, and the printer fills it and do it automatically, I guess, which is a good thing, you know. With this one you can, it's easy because you can pour inside, but there is always a drop that falls on your hand, or shit can happen with that one. With this one, not much. As I told you at the beginning, there are a few differences between these two printers. So let's start with this one, with ET2650. This one can scan, can copy, can print, and can also print from an SD card. The SD card slot is over here. The ET3750, this one can copy, can print, can scan, and also has the ADF stuff over here. ADF means automatic document feeder, which is great. Which is great for me. And I'm telling you, I'm gonna tell you why it's great for me. Most of the time I'm using, let me show you what paper I'm using. This is the HP presentation paper matte. Is $16.49 at Home Depot, or at least is the cheapest that I can get it. Sometimes I find like buy two get one free. rarely is buy one get one free, and when it happens I have to buy like big boxes. So this I'm using most of the time. This is a 32 pounds paper, and if I'm this one is full all the time over here. This one has 150 sheets here maximum, and this one like 50 I guess, or maybe 40 can stay over there. But let's go back. As I'm using this kind of paper all the time, if I have like a document to print, like a receipt, or I don't know, something else that is not very important in the quality, I'm using the feeder over here. So I put the paper, and yeah, it's convenient. It's very convenient. Speaking about the papers, I read the manuals from for both printers, and I did not found any information about the paper, the maximum paper weight that these printers can handle. Then I wrote to Epson and asked this. They responded me that the maximum paper weight is up to 24 pounds for both of them. I would say that is bullshit, because I'm using this all the time, and as you can see over here, is 32 pounds and works perfectly. No problem, no jamming, nothing. On the other side, when I was trying this as well, which is 61 pounds. Sometimes I can print 1 or 2 or 3 or maybe 10, but at one point I get the message that jam paper is inside. Not recommended this one, because you can ruin something inside over there, and also the printer head, as is a little bit thicker than this printer can handle. Another thing that I realized from the Epson answer is that being for 24 pounds, up to 24 pounds paper, and they are saying, because another question was what is the list of the whole papers that these printers can handle. They wrote over there that I can use the Epson presentation paper, the matte one, which is similar of this one. And it's strange, because it should not be able to print on that one, because that one is 27 pounds. So my question, not for you of course, but for Epson again, how come you are saying that 24 pounds is maximum that these printers can handle, and you are advertising that the premium presentation paper, which is 27 pounds, 3 pounds more than advertised, is capable to... It's like a confusion, is like, okay, let's go forward. The speed for these printers is, let's start with the 2650. This one can print black 10 pages per minute, and color 5 pages per minute. The 3750, it's capable of printing 15 pages per minute and 8 color pages for prints per minute. Epson, it's advertising that these printers are coming directly in a box with the 2-year ink bottles, which maybe is true, maybe is not. For me it isn't, because I'm not an average consumer, so I'm printing a lot. They advertise the ET2650 like printing black and white 4000 pages and colored 6500 pages, which is cool. I don't know if you are doing this in 2 years, if you are printing 4000 or 6500 colored pages in 2 years. It's difficult to count that. And for 3750 they advertise like 1400 black pages print, and for the colored ones 11,000, sorry. Why is this difference? Because the 2650 comes with the tanks, the same size tanks. Instead 3750, the black is larger, is double of size of the cyan, magenta or yellow. Now let's take a look of on the printers, a closer look. This is a print from the 3650. I'm gonna put it over here just to make a comparison with a print of this, the other one. I don't know which one looks better. Let me go a little bit closer. They both look good. I feel like the 2650 is more saturated. Yeah. Both of them, they have the articulated thing over here, which can go. This one has a clap, which you can go back and up. None of the screens are touch screen. This one is very smooth, as you can see. Can go up and down. Let's go with this one as well, just to make yourself an idea how it looks. I keep them like that because I like them more like that. Bigger screen on this one. Smaller on the other one. This one has a precision core. That one has not. Let me show you the scanner unit on this one and the scanner unit on this one. I don't know which one is better. I'm not using the scanner so much. Let me show you how it looks with this one. So they are like this. They are beautiful printers. I guess they are beautiful printers. And now let's do a test. Let's see which one is faster. I'm gonna print another image, the same image, on both printers. Let me show you right now what are my settings for printing. So, selecting over here, let's go closer. It's 3750, different options, but this one is okay. Photoshop is managing color, manages the colors, and this one is very important over here. At the beginning I was using the profile for Canon, but right now I'm using for Epson, which is very important. Saturation, black point compensation. So this is the only things that I'm doing it, and also I'm doing it over here. Photo matte paper best. And let's go to see the settings for the 2650. Keep printer, Photoshop manages. Let's go down, selecting the profile, saturation, black point compensation. Then I'm going back. Let me show you the whole window. Going over here, photo matte paper and best. Yeah. So these are the settings that I'm using on Photoshop. This is my review on the ET2650 and ET3750. I'm pretty sure I forgot something to mention, but be vigilant. Write me in the comments below. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Before I finish this video, I want to show you what I'm using this printer for. 90% of the time I'm printing my artwork. This is the artwork I'm doing. Then I'm printing it with these two printers. This is Mike Evans from Tampa Bay Buccaneers. This one you saw it before, from Seattle Seahawks. I'm from Seattle area, so yeah, has to be. This is another one, Ken Griffey Jr. from Mariners. I'm printing menus as well, and everything's is going fantastic with this printer. Let me show you again. This one, yeah. Yeah, if you have questions, please do not forget to leave them in the comments area below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm sorry if I missed something. This is my opinion, subjective or objective, I don't know, about these printers. I wish you a fantastic day. Thank you very much.